When the Earth was forming, that was 4.5 billion years ago, maybe about 3.5 billion years ago, the atmosphere started at first there was it was an oxygenless atmosphere. So afterwards, as there were various changes and implosions and chemical processes, the atmosphere became such to have oxygen. And really oxygen was necessary to support some of these life forms. And with the process of all of these fossils that you'll see, whether they're plants or organisms or actual creatures, animals, insects, for the most part, what has to happen is these living creatures get caught somewhere, and then usually they're near water. All creatures need water. We all need water to survive. Almost everything on the planet today needs water to survive. As a result, all of these organisms were near water, and what would happen is these things would get caught in the water, and sediment would then pile upon it in various ways, sometimes just naturally, but usually it had to, in order for a fossil to remain intact, it had to get covered over. Kind of think of like a mudslide or a landslide or something like that, so that it was immediately covered over and protected. And over the ages, as the continents shifted and split up and banged together, and the environment changed and the continents shifted around the globe that we all inhabit, all of these processes continue to layer all these different sediments and volcanic activities, really, and compacted these materials and these organisms and trapped them. And in such a way, the various minerals and chemicals that would then get stuck in these layers would then form these fossils. They would get, basically, these objects, these creatures, all were mineralized. They were sort of frozen. And that's why they exist today. And it's only when you are able to cut open the rock that you come across these fossils. And you can find fossils anywhere. You can go walking in Nayog Park, I'm sure, and find fossils.